sort of, in an ocean of things that ask to be told. But as the country that I live in any case, is becoming more and more repressive, more and more of a police state, more and more, it's not just a question of when you write that it's published and reviewed and you win some prize, but in fact, it's a real intervention at a real moment that really changes the immediate paradigm of the debate, even if it doesn't have some long-term, even if it doesn't instantly cause a revolution. But in John's new book, he actually says something which I think is very clear, a very clear description of why people like him or like myself write, and that is that when you choose to intervene when something is happening, it's only the second thing, the idea that perhaps through this writing some justice will come, is only the second thing. The first thing is just to avoid the utter humiliation of not writing, to avoid the utter humiliation of not telling them that you know what is being done to you. And that is a very important thing, not to be just reduced to silence. So often writing is just an act of preserving your personal dignity,